What's up, money makers? Looking for that next stock that's going to explode, or you just want breakdown and see its potential? Well, you've ended up in the right place today, my friend. Not only do I break down and analyze stocks, but we also have the right juice at Bacon with Billy Discord. Billy and the other coaches, including myself, rip that smoke every day with updates on stocks we are chasing and letting go, flooding the chats with updates and direction to the best of our knowledge of the direction of the stock. I'm your host, Mr. John, with Just.Scrollin.Trades. Also got Billy Banks himself in here with me today. So let's get it. All right, today we are going to talk about stock STRC. STRC. All right, so here I've set a stop loss for myself. Just not even really a stop loss, doing the 7 to 15%. Just keeping an eye on the stock. So these lines, they really mean nothing to you. I'm just showing where we're at, what we're keeping an eye on. We had it drop down this morning, which we expected a little bit of a pullback, and now it's already starting back up. Which that was just our hold position where we keep an eye on this stock anyway, right? But if you look over here at our volume, we're looking at 383,000 right now. I mean, but this stock's moving pretty good. It's looking good. The free float market cap is 14.97 million. If you go down here, look at your volume. Your buy is at 3.3 million and your sale is at 1.9. So that's showing that we are very bullish and we're still above, so we're definitely bullish. All right. So now let's just look into this a little bit more over here. Let's get a little feedback. So what is it? Circos. STRC. Circos. So what they do is it's combining human intelligence, instinct, and judgment with robotic strength, endurance, and precision. Now this has actually been kind of hot in the Discord already. Not just in the Discord, but actually across traders everywhere because I do follow some other news, trying to keep up with the traders and what's hot and what's not and what's going on. Oh, it just showed it. It showed a glimpse of it. Like they wasn't even going to release it, but they actually did in their website video. Let's watch. You can see they made all these machines. It's easier for humans to work, you know. But now they've made it, and they signed a 4-year contract, a military contract, that I came across on the Discord earlier, or I'm sorry, yesterday. And this is just awesome. The robotic machines that they make, and it's controlled. It's controlled with a remote control, with a just a controller. Look at that. There it is at the very end. They're showing the human, where it holds humans. It's supposed to give them human like superhuman endurance. What did it say, Billy? What was it? How did they word it?
What stock you talking about?
Oh, they're gonna redefine. They're redefining human abilities. Talking about STRC stock.
Oh yeah,
We
yeah.
were reading about it
STRC. They
last
got the
night.
what they got their military deal.
Yeah, where they
Was
got
that
the
the one?
4-year military deal, and
Yeah,
it's
those,
kind
those,
of
those
like
those
thinking about
military
Avatar.
deals are major. Man, when a stock gets those military deals, they're talking about they got a 4-year military deal, making them the next best what they making that? I think they said that they're working on exoskeletons for the next warfare. Man, they working on the future here
Yeah,
now.
that's
It's
what
gonna
it was.
explode.
Exoskeletons. That's what I was trying to think of the word for it. Thank you. Yeah, in their short little clip here they show at the beginning, they've already done a lot of work and made a lot of money doing this underwater work. You know, in the what was it, the aquarium field, and there's different stuff they were talking about there. But here at the very end of this video, it's coming up. You'll see it. They do a short clip of that exoskeleton. Yep, there it is. See it? And that's all they show in it. But it's huge. I mean, it just now got they got a 4-year contract. So I mean, this is just the beginning too. This is their first step in the military building these machines for them. So there's no telling where they're going to take it to. There's no telling where AI is going to take it to. And of course, we always like to go over here to Stock Twitch, see what's going on, what they're saying about it. STRC and that Sarcos Technology and Robotics Corporation, they're at $1.06. Not really. I think they might be at. Let's see here. I'm kind of curious myself. STRC right here is $1.22 or so, $1.19 at last price. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's a good stock. It's in a pullback right now. We see right here that the sentiment is bullish, extremely bullish. It was extremely bullish yesterday, but the last extremely bullish on the last score. Yeah, 97. Okay. A day ago it was 83. The volume's at 97. Like, this thing's hot. And plus, this is where I like to see where people talk about this stocks, you know? Like SRFM and STRC bought both dips pre-market bullish. See, these guys are just, I mean, they're getting in. They're hopping in and riding it out. Listen to this. Best short ever. We'll see about that. You're talking 3 million versus 1.5 million. Of course, that can change in seconds, but I don't know. We're going to see what happens. Let's see how strong you are, as always, PT1X. So, yeah, going higher. Like, and this is 12 minutes ago. You know, be sure to add it in your watch list. All eyes on this. Like, they're sending out their alerts to their discords. They're sending out their alerts, letting their message be known. Sure. And in here, we can see all the action. And, of course, now, in this one where I'm not seeing so much bearish remarks, like if you go to CIS is always the action-packed news. It's great because there's so much controversy. And that's what makes it so interesting, I think. But this right here, I mean, this is looking great. They are just actually playing the sister stocks to these and going to make that money double down, which is a great idea. Great idea. STRC wants to go where KSCP already is regarding tech sales. But KSCP is so undervalued. Can do a Halo run, which we all saw how Halo did with the HOLO. That was a good stock. So, you know, just keeping up with these people, like, all these people are from everywhere. We're all trying to do the same thing. We're trying to make that money, get that clean in, clean out, no hurt feelings, trying to get that 7 to 15%. We're trying to get in the 52-week lows. And that's the greatest thing about this stock here. Check this out. I'm going to pull back, go back over to Webull real quick. You're going to see here, look at the 52-week low. There it was, 39 cents, and we're at $1.05. 52-week high was $4.35. So we still have plenty of room to grow. Not to mention with all this news, with the 4-year contract. I mean, look, we're already showing you that you're bullish. Look here at MACD. It never lies. Look, we already crossed. So what are we doing? We're going down. We're going down the pre-market. But also, look at your candle. Look how quick that's changing. Look before. This is where we was, right? We didn't know what it was going to do. We didn't know where we were headed. We were just rebuy, or this is where we're going to rebuy because we know there's going to be a fall after the bump. Buy in, take that bump, 7-15%, safe. So we know that we're already close to the lows. This has just happened recently, and it's got a ways to go, and it's going to take us time getting there, but not today, because at 3.35 million buys and 1.85 million sales, well, we all know which one's winning. So we'll see what it does. It's still early. We're in the pre-market now. Let's see what it does for the day. And like I always tell you guys, let's follow the stock. Let's not chase it. So if you wasn't able to get in, now would be a good time. If you're ready to make that move and willing to put it up, just keep an eye on your volume. And let's get out here and let's see what she'll do. Until next time, I'm John with Just.Scrollin.Trades.